Join me as I dive deep into Sound stock insights and try to predict the market trends happening right now. Sound stock investing can seem like a daunting task, especially with the constant fluctuations in the market. Expert insights are crucial right now, as they can help investors make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Investors are facing a multitude of challenges in today's volatile market. One of the main concerns is the unpredictability of market trends, which can change drastically in a matter of hours. This unpredictability makes it difficult for investors to make smart investment choices. Another challenge investors face is the vast amount of information available, which can be overwhelming and difficult to sift through. Having expert guidance can make all the difference in navigating these challenges. Experts have a deep understanding of the market and can provide valuable insights that help investors make informed decisions. They can also help investors identify potential opportunities and risks, and develop strategies to mitigate those risks. The current market landscape is complex, and investors need to stay ahead of the curve to succeed. With expert guidance, investors can gain a better understanding of market trends and make more informed investment decisions. Recent expert insights have shed light on some interesting stock trends and investment strategies. One of the key trends is the growing importance of technology stocks, which continue to drive market growth. Experts also emphasize the need for diversification, as a well-diversified portfolio can help investors weather market volatility. Another important factor influencing market changes today is the global economic landscape. Experts are closely watching economic indicators, such as inflation rates and interest rates, to gauge market direction. They are also advising investors to keep a close eye on geopolitical events, which can have a significant impact on market trends. The impact of social media on stock prices is also a topic of discussion among experts. As social media continues to play a larger role in shaping public opinion, experts are warning investors to be cautious of stocks that are heavily influenced by social media sentiment. Some experts are also highlighting the importance of looking beyond short-term market fluctuations and focusing on long-term investment strategies. One key moment that could significantly impact investment decisions comes from a prominent stock market expert who recently emphasized the need for investors to stay calm and focused on their long-term goals. This expert advises investors to avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, investors should focus on developing a solid investment strategy that aligns with their financial goals. By doing so, investors can avoid costly mistakes and make more informed investment decisions. The expert also highlights the importance of staying informed and up-to-date on market trends and economic indicators. This can help investors identify potential opportunities and risks, and make more informed investment decisions. In today's fast-paced market, expert insights are more valuable than ever. By leveraging expert knowledge and guidance, investors can gain a competitive edge and achieve their financial goals. To recap, expert insights are crucial in navigating the stock market, especially in today's volatile landscape. By understanding market trends, investment strategies, and the factors influencing market changes, investors can make more informed decisions. If you've got thoughts on stock investing or questions about how to get started, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your thoughts. Also, be sure to check out our other video on investment strategies for beginners.